What is up everyone, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video where today we are looking into Ultimate Ear WONDERBOOM, a Bluetooth speaker by Logitech. Come with a fantastic design and features. Starting with the waterproof, rated IPX7, and I have tested it myself as well, and the good thing is it also floats too. Drop proof from up to 5 feet or 1.5 meters. I have also checked this feature out. Did a drop test on my wooden decking, following with the concrete hard floor. Well, speaker is still working. Also come with a 360-degree surround sound, 10 hours of play time with the Bluetooth range of 30 meters. You can also connect 2 WONDERBOOM speakers to party louder, but you will not get the true wireless stereo. Now, just before we deep dive into the video, I would like to make a request. Guys, if you think this video is informative to you, why not hit the like button and subscribe to more as well. And also join my super subscriber program where I will be giving gifts to my super subscribers. Check out the video description. Let's continue with the video. Now with this WONDERBOOM, within the packaging you get a user safety manual and a little instruction. One tangle-free micro USB charging cable. Now in last but not least, WONDERBOOM 1 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker, which from the build quality looks solid. I forgot to mention one more important feature, which is being dust proof too. So that means if these get dirtier, what you can do, you can just clean it with the water because it's IPX7 rated too. Now in the front you get dedicated volume control and all other control buttons on the top, starting with the power on and off with the status indicator light, and a Bluetooth pairing button on the top. Now right in the middle on top of Ultimate Ears, you also have a multifunctional button where if you push it one time, you're going to play and a pause. If you press it double time, you go to next song, or 3 times. There is also one flexible rope to install the speaker on your backpack with the hook if you want to. Where charging port for a speaker is on the back. Let's go ahead with the unedited sound sample test, where I will be playing some royalty-free music from YouTube. I suppose it will give you an idea that how loud is this Bluetooth speaker as well as its sound quality. Now at time to time my viewers ask me the questions that can we use this Bluetooth speaker while it's charging? So here is your answer. Which is yes, you can. And also remember, this portable wireless Bluetooth speaker doesn't work as an hands-free. Well, I have tried my level best to show you each and every feature which is offered other than connecting two Wonderbooms together, which I don't have my hands onto. Now regarding sound quality, which is a crispy clear with a big bass, it's beautiful everywhere you go. You can use it indoor, outdoors, anywhere you want. Drop proof, waterproof, also floats within the swimming pool too. What else you want in this summer? Now if you still have any more reservation, write them in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help. And if you'd like to purchase, link is available in the video description too. Speaker also come in a variety of colors, so I'm sure you're going to find the one which you desire. Now that will be all from my side. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more as well. And check out my super subscriber program in the video description. See you then guys. Bye for now.